Hello friends, I welcome you all to this lecture on fun with numbers using Python. So in this particular Python session, we will be learning that how to write a code for printing digits in a number. Now, in the previous lecture, we have seen that how to count the digits. So what was the procedure? We have seen three things, that is using log, then string, and then the conventional way. So today what we'll be doing is we'll be following the string procedure as well as this particular conventional way. Let us first start with the string. So if I take a string of numbers, that is 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 9, 1, let's say, you know that the string is nothing but sequence. So as this is a sequence, so for loop can handle it. So if I use for and I pass this sequence to this for, then one by one it will start printing. Okay. So let us directly head to the Jupyter notebook and see how this happens. So if I am having one number, let us copy this old code, this portion, and don't convert it into integer as we will be requiring this to be as a string. So now if I write a code like for I in range, so previously we used to supply some range, some sequence, but now we are having already that sequence. What is that? It's n. And now if I start saying print I, so what it will do, it will start printing that sequence. Let me demonstrate this to you. So if you run it, let's take 1 2 1 3 2 1. This is the number. So this is a sequence. That's it. 1 2 1 3 2 1. And if you want it to be written in one line, so end it with comma. That's it. Run it. 1 2 3 2 1 2, let's say. So this is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1 and 2. That's it. But the problem is that whatsoever it will be returning as a character, as a string basically. So if you want to check it, what is the type of this I? Print, let's say type. Oh, sorry. Type of this I. 1 2 1 2. So again, what is this? It has printed 1. Then it is telling me that this one is nothing but string. It is printing 2, but this is what? It is nothing but string. Though you have printed the digits, but they all are strings. So that's why we will be following conventional way of printing the numbers, but this time numbers will be printed from back. Why? Let us see. So let's say I'm interested in printing the number 1 2 1 3 1, let's say. So how to get the number, how to get the digits? You all know that if I have to get this number out, then if I find the remainder of the number divided by 10, what will be happening? This will, the first will be 1213, then plus 1 by 10. So that one is acting as remainder. So this modulo operator will return me this one. Okay. Now once this has been done, the number now should get reduced to 1213. How this is done? This is done using floor division. So 12131 floor division by 10 will make this number disappear and you are left with this. So in this way, one by one, you can print the digits from behind, from last. So it's so simple. So what we can do is we can build upon this program which we have developed in the last lecture, or what we can do is we can start the fresh. So let us take that number. Then what? Then as we needn't have to count in this case, we just have to print. So what we'll be doing? Again, When this program has to stop, this will stop when this particular number becomes 0. That's it. So while the number is not equal to 0, so this loop should run till the number is not 0. Then do what? Then first thing, print the remainder. Okay, either you can write like this, that remainder assigned n and then percentage 10. That means this will give you remainder, and then print the remainder. Okay, r. Then what? Then you have to do what? Then you have to reduce the number. Okay, so then what you have to do is you have to reduce the number. That means floor division by 10. Now let us print the number also, because previously we have not done this. So this will do what? This will show us that how this number is getting reduced. So initially the number will be printed, or it will be there itself, so we can check easily. So let us do it and see what happens. So let us take one number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. So now initially the number was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. We have taken 1 out, so number becomes this except this one. Then from this we have taken 4 out, so now the number becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2. Okay, now we have taken this 2 out, this is the 2. So in this way this will go up to this number becomes 0. Okay, so therefore now we just have to print the last term, so this particular step is not required. Let's give one number. It is 1, 2, 4, 5, let's say only. So the number is 5, 4, 2, 1. So it will give from behind. And if you want this number to be printed in a line separated by comma, then simply override that new line statement by saying that at the end you place comma and then print. So it is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. But this time r will be integer. Okay, this time r will be integer. So let us print the type also here, or not here, at the end. Print, let's say type of r. So if you run this, then you see that 3 is integer, 2 is integer, 1 is integer. So friends, in this way what we can do is we can print all the digits whatsoever are present in that particular number from last digit to the first digit. So that's all in this particular lecture. In the next lecture we will be working on the same code. We will be building up this same code to do some more tasks. Okay, so in this lecture till this point only, thank you very much for watching it.